everybody. This is BG Coins with Black Lion Kings Financial. We're gonna go over. It's been a while. It's been a few weeks since we've done a rundown of what's going on with Bitcoin, what's going on with the altcoin market in general, and so we're gonna do an overall overview of several tokens. It looks like we have several coins listed here. These are just coins I look at every day. We're not necessarily going to go over every one, but here's what we're going to do. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. You're missing out on some pertinent information. As you know, well, maybe you don't know. If you don't know, I called the bottom of the market using the bar bottom reversal pattern. We had a bar top that went to 64 down to 48 up to 69. We called that, and we figured, oh look, to reverse a bar top you're gonna have to have a bar bottom. So that's how I called it. There are several people who called it, but I called it going up to 54k at the high. I did not have the right plan in place in case we continued higher, but we did pivot at 57k. That's the last video. It's the last thing we talked about. That's the overall overview. Of course, we broke through all-time highs. We hit somewhere around 73,600, 700, depending on what exchange you were on. And if you haven't been here in a while, or if it's been a while, we used the market cipher set of indicators down here. So most of how I explain it will be through this group of indicators down here. But what we are going to do, as I was saying, we're going to have quick rundowns, 1 minute rundowns of these tokens that I have been talking about in the Black Lion Kings Discord for a while, the ones we have been keeping track of. If you hadn't known, it's meme season. It's meme coin season. Meme coins have been driving a lot of volume into the crypto market. Right now, it seems that we are near a top of the market. This is the 1 week pattern. We're going to start here with Bitcoin. We are looking for somewhat of a blow off top. We got this. This is the last leg of the blow off top. We got this little retest here, right around 60,700. I had the group waiting for 59,900, and I was wrong. And so basically, I feel like we got front ran on that price action. It should have been closer to at least 60,200. So we had to get in a little bit higher. But this is the last leg of this parabolic move, and we can go somewhere between 40,000 and 50,000 up from here, and on the weekly it's going to look like a straight line. So let's zoom in and see what's going on to finish up this little Bitcoin analysis. As you can see here, we're going on a parabolic line. We missed the tap here. In my opinion, we missed that tap, and it looks like we are continuing up. We are somewhere under 67,000. Majority of my group got in around 64,500 or so. If we take the Fibonacci levels, we're going to just give you a local Fibonacci level. We're not going to talk about the overall, where the overall market can possibly go. We're not going to spend too much time on that. Okay, we have to hit the reverse button. It looks like we hit somewhere around the 618, or maybe we missed it a little bit, and we're gonna pull back, and then we're gonna have to we could probably pull back to the 382 level, down to 65,500, and then potentially bounce from there. And if you can see, it looks like RSI is topping out, but the blue momentum wave looks to be peeking through after a green dot, looks to be peeking through the VWAP, the yellow wave there. So we could see some more upside after a slight pullback. And if we go down to the hour, this slight little pullback could go down to there, or if we reverse, so that's the golden pocket, 618 to 65%. We could either have a 38% pullback, or worst case, we're going to want to see no more. We're going to reverse it again. We're going to want to see no more than a 61% pullback from 68,300 on down to 63,000, around 600. Okay, before we see another bounce. But I do think we end up seeing a bounce somewhere around here if we want to stay bullish. And then I guess ideally overall on this overall level, we do want to see a move up to the 786 level here, 71,000 120 or so.